I was looking at my mom changing my little sister's nappy. When she removed it, I suddenly got really scared. It had a very strange purple color. What had she had for lunch? Only a beetroot salad, nothing else. Oh, that's why. Our bodies only take what we need from the food we eat, and then eliminate the rest. Do you remember that our teacher talked about the digestion in class, Matt?
Our body cannot use the foods as we know them. It needs to modify them through the digestion. Digesting is like separating food in their constituent nutrients.
What for?
To incorporate all we need and is good for us, and to eliminate that which is not. It is not so hard because we have got many organs to help us. They are the organs of the digestive system. Our food goes through a certain process throughout which it is separated and dissolved.
What is that process like?
Let's see, where does the food enter our body and is first chewed?
The mouth, miss.
That's right. First, our teeth chew and grind the food. This is called mechanical digestion. But in our mouth, there also takes place a chemical digestion, because the acids in our saliva soften the chunks of food to smoothly go down through the pharynx and reach the esophagus as a kind of round mass.
So after the mouth, the food goes through the pharynx down to the esophagus?
Right. That round mass being digested is called bolus.
Bolus?
Yes, bolus. And the movements of the esophagus mix this bolus till it gets to the stomach.
What happens in the stomach?
In the stomach, much more acidic fluids than the ones in the mouth are added. These fluids are called gastric juices. The stomach contains many muscles, which their movements mix and grind the food.
What is that kind of digestion called? Mechanical?
Yes, mechanical, because of the movement of those muscles, but also chemical because of the gastric juices. Thus, the stomach sends the small intestine much smaller pieces of food.
Once it reaches the intestine, what happens with the bolus?
There are other juices added. These juices come from two very close organs, the liver and the pancreas.
And then?
Digestion comes to its end, and the nutrients are absorbed and distributed through the blood throughout the body. The remainder is dried out in the large intestine and eliminated through the feces when we go to the toilet.
Part of the food is not absorbed and is then eliminated. That's right. The same happened with the beetroot. Part of it wasn't absorbed, and then you saw it in your sister's nappy.